Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to print message in console log using script graph. To demonstrate this, we will be printing mouse click counts in the console log. So let's get started. We will start by adding a script machine component to the camera. Create a new graph and name it mouse click counter. Open the graph and remove existing nodes. Now we need an integer to hold the click count value. So, create a new graph variable named click count and set the type to integer. We need to check for the mouse left click on every frame and print the message on click detection. To do this, add an onUpdate event node. Next, add the getMouse button down node and connect the flow. Next in the flow, add the if node. We are going to increment the click count variable by 1 in case getMouse button down returns true. To do this, connect the true port with a new node setGraph variable and select the click count variable from the dropdown. Now drag the click count graph variable and drop it in the graph editor window. Create a scalar add node with two inputs. First input will be the click count value and the second input will be 1. Provide the output to the input port of the setGraph variable node. Next, we will add a debug log node in the flow. The setGraph variable output will go to the message input port of debug log node. Enter the play mode and use the left mouse click to see the click count values in the console log. Now if you want to include some message along with the count value, then add a string literal node and type your message in the input box. Next, add a concat node that takes two arguments as input. Concatenate the string node and setGraph variable node and send the output to the debug log message port. Enter the play mode again and use the left mouse click to see the messages in the console log. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.